Today, I'm going to make a 3-in-1 stove using discarded items that will provide endless heat throughout the winter. I've used it as an emergency heater before. I've also used it when my house isn't warm enough and I need to maintain a high enough temperature without electricity or gas. So it works as an emergency heater. It will work when the power goes out. It will work in campsites, in houses without heating systems. So this is a great way to warm a room very quickly at a very low cost, and it's extremely simple to make. Let's get started. Let's see the result. You can use a small tin can like I did with an empty fish can. First, I drilled holes around the bottom of the can. Next, I used a larger tin can, about 8 centimeters in diameter, and cut a piece of cardboard about 6 centimeters long, just enough to fit inside this larger can. Next, I added some cotton pads. Then I made 4 ventilation holes on the mouth of this small can. These DIY survival tips, accumulated during difficult times and fuel shortages, helped me save a lot of money and could have saved lives in emergencies. Use steel wool to make the core of the stove. It will increase heat efficiency. As you can see, after burning and heating for about 20 minutes, the 250 milliliters of alcohol fuel I added is still half full. And more importantly, the cardboard and cotton pads I put in didn't burn at all, which means I can use it many times without having to start over. If you find my idea helpful, please comment from your country about the temperature and energy usage for daily heating.